A very warm morning my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So kids, today we are going to do identification and reading of small cursive letters A to Z. Identification and reading of small cursive letters A to Z. Okay kids, so let's start and pay attention over here on the board. Tell me, which is this letter kids? Yes, this is A, small cursive letter A. This is written between the second and the third line. Okay kids, now come on the next one. Tell me, which is this letter now? This one is letter B. This is letter B. B for ball. B for ball. Now jump on the next one kids. Tell me first, which is this letter now? This one is small cursive letter C. Small cursive letter C. This is also written between the second and the third line. Now kids, come on the next line. Tell me first, which is this letter? Yes, you all know this one. This is small cursive letter D. This is small cursive letter D. D for duck. D for duck. Now tell me, which is this one kids? Yes, think. Which is this one? This is small cursive letter E. Small cursive letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now jump on the next one kids. Look over here and tell me first, which is this one now? This one is F. Small cursive letter F. This is written between the all four lines. Okay. This is written between all the four lines. F for frog. F for frog. Now we'll come on the next line. Tell me first, which is this letter? This one is G. This one is G. Small cursive letter G. This is written between the second, third and the fourth line. Okay kids? Now jump on the next one. Which is this letter? Yes, you all know it, right? Yes, this is H. Small cursive letter H. Small cursive letter H. H for horse. H for horse. Tell me first, which is this one kids? Yes, which is this one? This one is small cursive letter I. Small cursive letter I. I for igloo. I for igloo. This is written between the second and the third line. Very good kids. Now tell me first, which is this one? This one is J. This one is J. Small cursive letter J. J for jug. J for jug. Now tell me, the next one is, what comes after J kids? Which is the next letter? After J, the next one is K. The next one is K. Small cursive letter K. K for kite. K for kite. What comes after K kids? I told you. Yes, after K, the next letter is L. The next letter is L. L for lemon. L for lemon. So kids, look over here on this side now. Which is the next letter? What comes after L? The next one is M. M for monkey. M for monkey. This is written between the second and the third line. Very nice. Now tell me, which is this letter? Identify this letter kids. The next one is N. The next one is N. N for nest. This is also written between the second and the third line. Okay kids, this is small cursive letter N. Now come on the next one and identify this letter. Tell me fast, which is this letter? Yes, this is letter O, small cursive letter O. This is also written between the second and the third line. O for orange. O for orange. Very good kids. Now come on the next line. Tell me which is this letter? Yes, this one is small cursive letter P. Small cursive letter P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Very nice kids. Remember, when you write P, do not touch it with the first line. Okay, do not touch it with the first line. Very nice. Now jump on the next one kids. Which is this letter? You have to identify this one now. Yes, this is Q. Small cursive letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. This is written between the second, third and the fourth line. This is written between the second, third and the fourth line. Okay kids? Now tell me which is this letter? What comes after Q? The next one is R. The next one is R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Very nice. This is written between the second and the third line. Very nice kids. Now come on the next line. Tell me which is this letter? This is S. This is letter S. Small cursive letter S. S for sun. S for sun. This is also written between the second and the third line. Very nice. Now tell me what comes after S kids? Yes, think after S the next letter is T. The next letter is T. This is written between the first three lines. Do not touch it with the first line. Okay kids? Very nice. T for tiger. T for tiger. Very nice. Tell me which is this letter? This one is U. This one is U. Small cursive letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. This is also written between the second and the third line. Very nice kids. Now come on the next line and tell me fast which is this letter kids? This is V. What comes after U? After U the next letter is V. V for van. V for van. This is also written between the second and the third line. Now identify this letter kids. Which is this letter? This is W. This is W. Small cursive letter W. W for watch. W for watch. This is also written between the second and the third line. Now jump on the next letter and tell me fast which is this letter? This one is X. This one is X. First slanting line, then a curve, then again a curve in the opposite direction. Okay, this is letter X. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Very nice. Now tell me which is this letter kids? What comes after X? The next one is Y. The next one is Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. This is written between the last three lines. Second, third and the fourth one. Okay kids? Now tell me the last letter. Fast, you all know this one. This one is Z. This one is Z. This is also written between the last three lines. Second, third and the fourth one. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. This is Z for zebra. Small cursive letter Z. So kids, this way you have to do your identification and reading of small cursive letter A to Z. You can practice this from your preset book. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.